A lot of people get mad with me because I said Bitcoin is gonna crash down to 10,000. I don't care for these people. I'm here to tell the truth. I keep it real, man. If you check my last video, you're gonna understand why Bitcoin is gonna crash and hit $10,000. And you understand why I put a $3 million buy order right here. By the way, trade recap today, guys. We talk about two coins, SafePal, Trust Wallet Token. We made 165% profit. Huge returns, guys. That means I just made $16,500, okay? On the first trade recap, we talk about right here, SafePal. I shared this trade in the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 30 cents, guys, before the pump. And we put a sell order right here at 55. Okay, we made 80% profit. I made $8,000. Next trade recap is a Trust Wallet Token, guys. Shared this trade in the private list yesterday. Bought this coin for $1.16, $1.15. Put a sell order right here, $2.20. I made 85%. That means trade crypto members made the same profit I did because they follow my trades. Now take a look on this. You see these candles down here, volume spike, volume spike, volume spike, volume spike. That's how I found those pumps, guys. In order to find those pumps, you have to calculate volume spike plus buyer power. That's the reason I found so many coins every day. Why I do that? Because my software is tracking the entire market and alert me 24/7. You cannot beat me on this market because I have a software on my side. That's the reason I tell to my trade crypto members, please, I won't sell the software. The software is not for sale. I'm the only one who has the software in the entire crypto market. Okay? By the way, guys, like say welcome to our new members, Sarah, Regina, and Patricia, 3 girls. If you like to get those trades in real time, guys, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, I forgot this thing. I'm gonna make a next video just for trade crypto members about FTX token. I'm gonna teach you a strategy how to make money when the coin are crashing like that. You're gonna be surprised. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. You already know, if you come to South Beach, Miami, give me a hit. You can pay me a nice dinner if you can. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Daniel. Bye bye.